how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can clean up your drive in your PC, in your Windows computer. So in this case, here we go. You have to go to folder view of your computer. Here I am. It could be Windows 10, Windows 11, wherever you are. See the folder view, go to the PC or this PC, you will see all your drive. Very basic tutorial guys. So you have CD, click right button of your mouse on that, or in Windows 11 you have to go to more view option. Windows 10 you will find as this, go to properties of your drive. When you are in properties, you see disk cleanup option. Hit this one. It's calculating all the data of your disk, including extra and other things. So what you want to clean, temporary internet files here. After that, Windows error report as well, DirectX. So 1.25 gigabytes could be free. So that is a lot of space. You see, thumbnails 1.22 gigabytes. This I don't need. So I hit OK. Delete files. So this will delete all the temporary files. Let's see, is gone, is clean. I hit one more time, disk cleanup is checking. Here we go, and here clean up system file. This is more advanced option. You see, it's cleaning system file as well. So recover 2, 3, 4 more spaces. Windows update, you see Windows update, this occupies a lot of things, lot of places in your computer. So okay, so delete files is done. It's all the system files is there, 1.60. I hit yes, delete files. Is done. So final this process, you can do the same to drive D or other anywhere you want. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.